and welcome to today's video. With the seasons changing, I feel the need to declutter and clean, and today I am tackling my fridge.
This is my fridge here to the left, and I am just gonna start by taking everything out. I'm leaving the things in the door, so I will start with cleaning this. I'm using an alkaline water and an antibacterial and a little scrubby today to clean everything.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Some of these were really disgusting, so it was so satisfying cleaning them. And here you can see my little baby. He is not very happy. He wants to join. I am also throwing away old foods and making sure everything that I am putting back is fresh.
It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Now I'm going to tackle inside the fridge, and I am using the water that I was talking about and the antibacterial. I'm just gonna scrub away. And it was some of these stains were really bad, and I don't think you're gonna want to see this, so let's do this. As I said, it is so satisfying when it is finished and clean. And I'm going to put everything back, and then I am going to tackle the door.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors.
It took me a little while to actually decide on where to put the glass thingies that I can't remember the name of. The shelves. I'm sorry. So I rearranged a couple of times until I was happy. I'm now taking out the shelves from the door, and I'm gonna clean them as well.
Forever free, you and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
It's hard to see how dirty it is when the shelves are there, so I was amazed when I took them out to see how much grime and dirt there was.
bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
Putting back these shelves, the first two were easy, but the other ones I had some trouble with. And I did this for quite some time and I got really frustrated.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
Condiments are really good to have in the door since the door has less cold. It is less cold there. So now that I'm finished with inside the fridge, I'm just gonna wipe down on the outside. So this is the final result. I am really happy and I feel so good. I have been wanting to do this for such a long time, and now that it's done, I feel like I can breathe.
In the great outdoors, forever free.
That is it for today's video. I'm exhausted after that, to be honest. I was thinking of doing the freezer as well, but that is going to have to wait for another day. I hope I inspired you to clean out your fridge, and I will see you next time. Bye!